trying to look, have a dal. And I just want to request with Pratham, please Pratham taste and give for the review.
The taste is good and very fine cooked and boiled and salted. Salt is good, red chili is good, and masala also good. That's all.
So friends, this is the other section of IHM Gwalior's QTK. Here we are making the Indian breads. So you can see the same batch students, the two girls are making the paratha. That is Puran Puli. It's a Maharashtrian paratha dish, and they are making it very much enthusiastically. So I would like to request the cameraman to have a coverage of both the students. They're very nicely making it. They're turning it, and each and everything is being taken care of very carefully. And you know that like the more you do, the more you learn. So there is no end of learning. So we can see that we have got this dining hall area at the back of mine, and students are they are coming to have the lunch very soon. And being the first day, we are very much happy to say that at least we have got some response. So I would like to request my supervisor, please come, and we will have this closing of the session. Cameraman, please come ahead. So at this particular stage, we have learned that most of the times we have seen that if you do not come to the class, you cannot learn the things. So friends, those who are willing to learn hotel and management, first thing is be punctual. And food is such a thing, there is no end of food preparation and food service. So IHM Gwalior, we are located in the state of Madhya Pradesh. So those students who are willing to join the hotel management from the session of 2025-26, please join hotel management. I can assure you that you will enjoy your 10 years of study. So wherever you are, please stay safe, stay healthy, stay nice, stay jolly. Thank you. Good day. Friends, good afternoon. Once again, we are in front of you all because there is a nexus between you and us. You are our beloved viewers, and all of you, we miss you because this is the session of 2025-26. We have just started being the first day of third semester BSc HHA program. This is 7th of July 2025, Monday. Believe me, every day we used to remind you, we used to think about you. This is because without you, our show, our videography is not complete. So today, our new batch has joined the session, that is third semester BSc HHA program, and we have got a very eminent gentleman, Mr. Nitesh Dembla. He has been chosen as the supervisor of the day, and I have got a deep faith on him. This boy is very famous in terms of his punctuality, in terms of his good behavior. So, Mr. Nitesh, how do you feel on this great day?
Firstly, good afternoon, everyone. I'm feeling very good because it's my first day and I choose as a supervisor of this kitchen. I feel very blessed to have a faculty like Balkin sir, our HOD. I feel very blessed to have my team members and they are very amazing. They prepared today Maharashtrian cuisine. So have a look for cuisine.
Excellent. So I would like to request our beloved supervisor to explain the dishes and to have an intersection session, talking session with their friends, and they will have the opinion. I will come at the end of the session. So Mr. Nitesh, please carry on.
So meet with Pankaj, and Pankaj, I just want to tell everyone what you make today.
Hello, good afternoon friends. My name is Pankaj Singh and I am a student of IHM Gwalior and I am studying third semester, and today we are making Masala Bhat, the origin of Maharashtra. Masala Bhat is a dish to
We make it
which is made by rice, and the special masala, which is the name of masala is Goda masala, the famous of Maharashtra.
Please taste the dish and give reviews for the subscribers.
rice is 100% cooked and gota masala is taste is perfect. So all of good.
Thanks for the review, Vitesh. Now have a look for puri that made by Prashant Rajput. So Prashant, can you please tell me what is the main ingredient in this puri?
Good afternoon, viewers. My name is Prashant Rajput. I am from Bangalore and I am completing my second semester and I am co- I am coming third semester and my first day we are making masala puri.
So and taste the puri and give reviews.
The taste is good and full fried, full fry हो चुका है and salt water is good and taste is good.
Mutton kolhapuri. So I would like to request Nitin, please taste the mutton and give reviews.
Today we have prepared mutton kolhapuri. This dish is prepared. First of all, boil the mutton and add some container and add some oil, and after we have all ginger garlic paste add and all Indian masalas, coriander, turmeric, red chili powder add, and according to taste to salt and cook to 1 hour and taste is 100% cooked and gravy is so awesome.
Now I would like to request with Pawan Gurjar, please taste our aloo bhaji, patata bhaji. Sorry, actually this is a Maharashtrian dish, so we cannot say aloo. We can say only patata. So this is our patata bhaji. Have a look for the bhaji. Pawan, please taste and give everyone review.
पटाला भाजी ऑयल गुड़ तेल अच्छे से पकाए मत बॉईल करके मसाले
मेन टेस्ट क्या आ रहा है आपको?
गोटा मसाला
गोटा मसाला किससे बना? मतलब क्या क्या इंग्रेडिएंट्स है?
मिर्ची धनिया हल्दी काली मिर्ची कोकोनट लाल मिर्ची कड़ी
Very our question being that made by Naina Rajput. So I'm requesting to Naina, please taste and give a positive reviews to everyone.
Yeah, sure. Namaste viewers, my name is Naina Rajput and today we are make Koshambi, which is very famous salad in Maharashtra, and in it we use 3 types of vegetables like onion, tomato and cucumber, and we cut dicely and quarter shaped vegetables, and we tossed the all vegetables, and the main ingredient and main masala is the gota masala. We use Maharashtrian special gota masala, and we tossed and roasted peanut also, and the dressing we use in this salad is mustard oil, and we toasted it, and some juice of lemon, it's and taste some taste of salt, and we tossed it properly, and it tastes very good. Thank you.
It's time to meet with Puran Poli that is made by Pratham Agarwal. So I'm requesting to Prashant Rajput, please come and taste and give review for the Pratham soup.
Paratha taste is very good and नमक मिर्ची सब प्रॉपर है एंड टेस्ट बहुत अच्छा है ना ज़्यादा ऑयल है.
Now it's time to have a dal. And I just want to request with Pratham, please Pratham taste and give positive review.
The taste is good and
Friends, this is 8th of July 2025. Today is Tuesday. We are here with another menu by from the state of Maharashtra, made by the third semester batch students. This is Group D, BSc HHA program from the academic session 2025-26. Every day we repeat the menu with each batch. We have got 4 batches. I beg your pardon, we have got 2 batches. In third year we have got 4 batches. In the second year session we sent half of the students for the industrial training program and half of the students they stay in the institute to perform as the student. So we have divided them into 2 groups, C and D. Today is the turn for the group D students. They have prepared the same menu, that is the Maharashtrian cuisine. It has got the items which will be explained by our supervisor. Supervisor is a nice person, but you know that until and unless you take the things seriously, until and unless you dedicate yourself towards the work, towards the final achievement of the things, you cannot achieve the satisfaction. So students who are studying in class 11th and 12th, for them we have got an appeal. Never say no. Sky is the limit for you. You know, the entire world, entire globe is the destination for you if you learn your cooking activities, if you learn your service activities right from Institute of Hotel Management. We are one of the 21 central government institutes of hotel management under the Ministry of Tourism, Government of India. We are very much proud to mention ourselves to be a part and parcel of IHM Gwalior. You know, Gwalior is a historic city which is located in the state of Madhya Pradesh. And friends, Madhya Pradesh has got the maximum number of tigers in its forest. So we are also very good animal lover. We are also very good student lovers also. We love all of you. We know that one day you will come here to study the hotel management. Now, without taking much time, I would like to request my supervisor. Supervisor, how did you feel in today's session? Was it good?
Yes, sir.
It was very good. So, did you control the class in a proper manner? Okay. So, he has controlled the class in a proper manner. Now, I will just go off the scene. He will explain all the things to all our beloved viewers. I will join soon. Thank you.
This is your first day in QTK मेन बैच का महाराष्ट्र क्विज़ की पुरान पोली की पूड़ी पोटैटो भाजी और मटन कोल्हापुरी मसाला भात है कोसाम्बीर. थैंक यू.
नमस्ते व्यूअर्स. टुडे आई हैव महाराष्ट्रियन मेनू कोथंबीर बड़ी.
Good afternoon everyone. This is a masala bhat.
Good afternoon, Via. My name is Prashant Singh. I am the third semester student of IHM Gwalior. So today we have a Maharashtrian cuisine menu in which today we made Kolhapuri mutton. So let's check the taste. First of all, we have to check the gravy. So gravy is good and rich in flavor, and salt is also there, and all the spices also there, and the richness also good. And if I'm talk about mutton is totally juicy in flavor, and as you can see, the mutton is totally full of flavor.
Good afternoon, all of you. My name is Satyanan Bagel, and I am a third year student IHM Gwalior, and my name is Potato Bhaji. I am Chef.
Good morning everyone, my name is J.S. Kuspa. This is a puri, you will be taste. Supervisor. Happy to show. This is very amazing and you are wonderful.
Good afternoon everyone. As we know, today is Maharashtrian menu. So this is Puran Poli. It is made with wheat flour and we added mashed chana dal and jaggery in it. So I will just have a bite. Supervisor will also have. Share it with your friend. It is sweet and taste. I can taste jaggery. I can taste coconut also. And I can taste chana. It's it.
So friends, you have seen today's episode. The thing is like the more you practice, the more your hands will be open. But I'm very sad to say that students are not taking the classes very seriously. I will meet Mr. Brijmohan Gabrani ji in front of you. Brijmohan Gabrani ji हमारे बहुत ही पुराने दोस्त हैं और सर के हाथ में जादू है, ये मैं पहले वीडियो में बोल चुका हूँ. सर आप दो शब्द हमारे बच्चों को कहिए.
जैसा कि आप आज देख रहे हैं, हमारा जो नया सेशन है द्वितीय वर्ष के छात्रों का आज प्रारंभ होने जा रहा है, जिसमें कि हमारे बी ग्रुप के छात्र आज सारे उपस्थित हैं. आज की उपस्थिति देखते हुए मतलब प्रथम दिवस के देखते हुए काफ़ी अच्छी है, तो हम चाहते हैं कि अगली क्लास में 100% उपस्थिति हो. आज जो बच्चों ने हमारा जो महाराष्ट्रियन कुजिन से जो पार्ट बनाया है कोल्हापुर से, बहुत ही मतलब डिलीशियस फूड बना हुआ है जो कि आप देख ही चुके हैं. तो मैं इनको और इसी लिए आगे बधाई देता हूँ कि इस तरह के कार्य करते रहें ताकि हम दिन प्रतिदिन सारे स्टेट को कवर कर सकें. धन्यवाद.
सुंदर. नमस्कार. So, friends, you have seen that was the episode of the day, and today we will close the episode thanking the supervisor, thanking all my students, and obviously thanking the entire IHM family. So friends, whenever you think of taking admission in hotel management, please join IHM Gwalior. The admission for 2025-26 is open for everybody. Those who have got 10+2 qualification, and we have also got one small program of 1 year, that is diploma in food production. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy. Have a nice day.